My name is Omer and you're watching Omer's workshop. Today we are gonna make a 5-way connectors out of PVC connectors, because in the previous video we have make a 3-way connector out of 2-way connector out of this design, because this design is difficult to find in the market and it is very expensive in the market. So we have made this in previous video. Now we are gonna make a 5-way connectors, so used for in the projects or like cage making or PVC projects. So for that we need a T connector like this one, which have 3-way connectors, and we need a 3 caps, PVC caps. So now we are going to place PVC caps over the sideways and place a screw. This is a cut screw which is self-tightening. So if it is going to be once it's tightened, it is not going to come back. It have a very good grip out of it. Like this. So you can see that the screw have been tightened inside of it, and it's really hard to take it out. So it is useful in this kind of method. So we have to place all the way. So now this is a 5-way connector now, so it can be useful in a lot of applications like cage making or shelf making. So now it is a 5-way connectors, 1 2 3 4 5. So we can place any kind of PVC wire over here and we can connect it all over, but we can go further and place a 6th connector over here. Now it is a 6-way connector. Now see, it is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it is useful in a lot of PVC projects, and it is a fixed connector, so it cannot move. In the next video we will show you how to make a flexible connector which can move it. The connectors can move it in a way that it can be flexible, but for now it is a very good way to make this kind of connectors, because these pre-made connectors are very expensive and very hard to find. So this is a method to make a 5 and 6-way connector as well. So if you like this video and you want to see the previous video, please check the description or the card. Please like and share if you like this video.